Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me, yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start the first story. One day a hound, out hunting by himself, flushed a hare from a thicket and gave a chase. The frightened hare gave the dog a long run and escaped. As the disappointed hound turned back toward home, a passing goatherd said cheeringly, "You are a fine hunter. Aren't you ashamed to let a little hare 1/10 of your size give you the best of it?" "You forgot," replied the hound, "that I was only running from my supper." But the hare was running for his life. The name of the story, The Hare and the Hound. The moral, necessity is our strongest weapon. The second story. A farmer went to the nest of his goose to see whether she had laid an egg. To his surprise, he found, instead of an ordinary goose egg, an egg of solid gold. Seizing the golden egg, he rushed to the house in great excitement to show it to his wife. Every day thereafter, the goose laid an egg of pure gold. But as the farmer grew rich, he grew greedy, and thinking that if he killed the goose, he could have all the treasure at once, he cut her open only to find nothing at all. The name of the story, The Goose with Golden Eggs. The moral, the greedy who want more lose all.